Welcome to KrispCall. In this video, we'll guide you through a step-by-step process to buy your Macau phone number from KrispCall. To purchase a Macau phone number from KrispCall, visit KrispCall.com and log in or create an account if you haven't already. Access My Numbers, either by clicking the plus icon or navigating through the Settings menu. Click on Purchase New Number. Choose Macau from a list of countries. Select your desired number type and click Buy Number. Provide a name for your selected number and add it to your card. You must provide a local document containing your ID and address to get the Macau phone number. Click on Confirm Purchase. Once you get the Macau phone number, you can make and receive calls. Get 100+ international virtual phone numbers from KrispCall and connect with your global audiences remotely from a single app. With KrispCall, you can get advanced features like unified call box, global calling, text messages, voicemail, multi-level IVR, call analytics. Contact our chat support for more information.